Hi guys, and welcome to the part 3 of this video tutorial series. Now that you're familiar with the stock market at meron ka ng strategy na gagamitin for your investing, ready na tayong mag-open ng broker's account. And for this video, I will teach you how to open an COL financial account. Basically, you just need to go to colfinancial.com and click open an account right here. And choose your account type. Actually, we can skip this process. More on familiarization lang naman to kung ano yung features ng each type of accounts. COL Financial naman na magseset ng account type mo based dun sa kung magkano yung initial deposit mo. Kung nag-deposit ka ng 5,000, seset nila yung account mo as COL starter. Kung 25,000 or more naman, COL plus na yung account type mo. So, nandito yung comparison ng each type of account. Much better kung babasaan nyo na din. Okay, so next process tayo. Click download all forms. Then, fill it out. For this process, gumawa ako ng sample application forms na nasa description box below. Download nyo lang yon para may guide kayo. And then, prepare your additional requirements. For Filipino citizen, photocopy of one valid government-issued ID lang. Take note that photo and signature must be clear. For ITF or interest for accounts, ito yung para sa parents na gusto ipag-open ng account yung anak nila na under 18 years old. Then next is submit forms and requirements. Much better kung makakapag-submit kayo personally para mas mabilis yung process. Pumunta lang kayo sa any of these branches na nandito. Ito naman yung address nila. Pero okay lang din naman kung di accessible sa inyo yung mga offices nila or OFW ka. Send nyo lang via courier. Just take note of this envelope that you need to use to avoid delay. Okay, next is fund your account. Para sa mga nagpa-courier ng requirements, may another step pa kayo before funding, which is a video conference call from the sales officer for verification lang na information nyo. Pero para sa mga nag-walk-in, wait na lang kayo ma-approve yung application nyo and you will receive an email stating the process of funding your account. The minimum amount that you can deposit is 1,000 pesos to activate your account. Then, kung magkano man yung i-deposit nyo, yun na din ang gagamitin nyo to buy your first stock. Which is, ituturo ko naman kung paano sa next video. So, there you have it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have questions, please feel free to comment below. Or you can reach me at nel@pinoypassivepeso.com. And please subscribe to my channel for more investing tutorial videos. Happy investing and God bless.